If you're looking for a video hosting platform, or maybe you want to replace Vimeo or Wistia with another platform, then I got something very cool for you today. It's called Vidmingo, which is a brand new video platform that allows you to host all your videos, and it gives you unlimited bandwidth as well. Not only does it allow you to store your videos, it also has an option to record your videos here, to go live and record your videos, and also to record your screen with a picture-in-picture. Plus it also gives you a text-to-speech option as well, plus a bunch more. So if this sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned. I'm going to show you every detail, going to do a full walkthrough, a full review of this product. But before I do so, I want to mention that there is a link in the description of this video. It will redirect you to my website where you can find all the details about this product, also about the pricing, the funnel, what's included. Simply click on these buttons in here. Also, there is a special bundle deal, which will give you here the whole funnel, everything that you're seeing right here. It will give you all of the funnel for a discounted price. Plus, you're also going to get all the bonuses mentioned on this page completely free if you decide to pick this up through my link. So one of the bonus is free access to video funnels, which is a very cool product which is recently launched, where you can create some very cool video funnels. Also, this is a recently launched product which is called Royal Stocks, that allows you to get your own Shutterstock-like website where you can sell your own Shutterstock images, etc. Plus viral dashboard, I've talked about this a lot. A very cool 21 social media platforms inside of one platform where you can post to all your social media channels, plus a bunch more. I'm going to add more bonuses as well. So make sure you check out that link before you purchase, and then simply purchase through one of these green buttons, and these bonuses will be emailed to you automatically. All right, let's dive into this review and let me show you what Vidmingo is all about. So right now I'm logged into the dashboard where you get an overview of your account. You can see here that you can see how many videos you have. You can see the collections that you created, etc., etc. You got some more options here, some quick links. But honestly, I always work with this left menu. That's the easiest way to navigate through this platform. And it starts here with videos. So you got some different options here. You can choose to start with videos by uploading your own videos and create a player for it. You can decide here in the stream part to create your own videos by recording yourself, your webcam, your camera, or maybe you want to record your screen with a picture-in-picture. And then the next part here is the text-to-speech, where you can create voiceovers with this platform. Now, everything that you're going to see today is included in the front end. I only have front end access, so everything that you're going to see, you'll have access to. I asked specifically to only give me front end access. So it works really simple. Let's get started with the video part. When I click on upload video, I can upload my videos. Now this works similar to every other platform. So once you have uploaded your videos, it will be stored in here with all your videos. Now, as you can see, I already have my videos in here. And then once you have your videos in here, you can modify your video. So when I click on this video that I created with Vidmingo, so I recorded my video, I'm going to show you a little later how this works. But this is the video player. So when I click the play button, so this is a test recording for Vidmingo. So here you can see I recorded this recording. So this is a recorded recording, but when I go to all videos, you can also see that I have an uploaded video. So this is a video that I uploaded. This was a previous review of Mobileverse takeover. And then when I click play, you can see this video also starts playing. But the thing that I want to show you here is at the right side where you can change everything in your video player. So when I click here on appearance, you can change every part in your player in here. So as you can see right now, this play bar here is blue. It has a blue bar. So you can change that here. When I hover over this part here at the right side here, do you see that? The play bar changes in color, so you can match this with your own color. If you want to have a red bar, you simply drag this to the red part, and this likes more like a YouTube video player this way. And then you can also reset. You can also upload your own logo. So let's say I want to have my logo on top of this video. I can search for this. So signature, let me search for my logo. And I want to have this logo. I'm going to upload this and this will appear here. And I can decide, let's say I want to have this as a 150 here. And then I want to have this at the left top of my video player in here. Now you can also do a logo title if you like to. You can do a logo URL. And you can change the video play button. If you like to change this button here in the middle for a blue one, or maybe you want to use the Vidmingo play button or this one, you can change that. Personally, I really love the default one because this matches my theme. And then once you scroll down here, you can also do some animations to your button. If you like to bounce your button, you can do that as well. Or you can flash your button like you're seeing right here to get it more attention. I always like this pulse button. And then also, when you save this, your player will be saved. And once you are going to add this to your website, it will be saved. Now, when I press play, look at this. You can see my signature is in here. My logo is in here that we just created in this right menu. So this is the first part, and that is the appearance module. Then we also have the visibility and privacy options. Now, in here, you can choose who is able to watch your video. So you can set this to anyone or only me, or people with a private link, or people with a password. So you can also password protect this this video if you like to. If you set this to anyone, your video will show on your page with all of your other videos. If you set this to people with only a private link, then only people will see this video. So let me show you, let me quickly share this. So when I save this, and now when I use that link and I'm going to visit this link, you can see my video in here, and there's no other video in here as well. People can comment on this video. You can also disable that as well. But let's say I'm going to say everyone in here, anyone can see this video. Now when I save this video and when I open this video in a new window, you can see here that this video is in here with all the other videos, with my other videos here at the right side. So this is how you can configure if anyone will see your video, or maybe only people with the private link or with a password. And that's in the visibility and privacy option in here. And then the last part is in here. You can also upload your own thumbnails. So that's the part that you're seeing right here. So now it doesn't have a good thumbnail. I need to upload a high quality thumbnail. You can do that in here. You can also do a video, use a part of the video as a thumbnail as well. And then once you're done, you hit save button and your thumbnail is stored. Now then there are also some upgrades, and like I said, I don't have access to the upgrades right now because I want to only show you the front end. But here you have more player control. So if you want to hide the play bar and hide the volume, let's say you want to have a webinar-like video, then you need to upgrade your account if you'd like to have more flexibility over your player, if you want to enable or disable all these controls. The same for call to actions. You can add call to actions on your video where people sign up to your list, where you can add buttons to your videos, etc. These are all part of the upgrades. Also the email leads, where you can grab the email addresses from people that are watching your video, or maybe you want to run ads on top of your video, or player role actions. These are part of the upgrades. One thing that is not part of the upgrade, which includes here the video settings, where you can do a context URL, where you can upload your image related videos, and you can save that as well. And then it will be all stored inside of your videos in here. Now there's also an option here at the left menu where you can say, I'm going to configure this player. So within the configuration option in here, you can set the default mode for your player. So let's say you want to change your appearance. You always want to have the red play bar. You can change that in here, and you can also change which play button will be used by default. And that's all in the player configuration. Now then the other cool part of Vidmingo is that you can import videos. When I click on import videos in here, you have the option to import videos from various sources here. So you can import videos here from Google Drive, from Vimeo, from Facebook, from Dropbox, from YouTube, OneDrive, pCloud, Box.com, AWS, direct URL. You know, when you have a YouTube video, you simply click on your YouTube video in here, you paste your URL in here, and then the video will be imported. And that's what I've done here with a test. I took a video here, like this video. I took this from YouTube, and this video has been imported inside of Vidmingo automatically by using the import feature, which is pretty cool. Then one thing that I forgot to mention is the collections. You can also create collections in here. When I modify this in here, you can add videos to one collection. So let's say you have a collection of video tutorials. You simply create a collection, and then you can add all of your videos in here. When I click on edit, you can add videos. Now let me do this again here. Let me go to collections. And then when I click create collection in here, you can select the videos that you want to add to your collection. So let's say I want to add these videos to my collection, and this is tutorials. You can save this, and now you have kind of a playlist for this collection. You can share these collections as well. So when you click on the share button in here, you can embed this on your website as well. So when I do this online HTML editor quickly, you can see here that it has a playlist here at the right side, and here at the left side you will see your video. So you can embed this on any website, and that's what a collection is. You can also use a share link. So when I open this share link, you can see that the playlist will be created on Vidmingo's domain. And that's the video part. That's the first part. This is where you host and store all your videos. Then the second part is the stream part, where you can create streams. Now, streams is a bit similar to your videos that you upload, except that you can select a date. So let's say manage stream in here. When I click on manage stream, you can see I uploaded this video. Now, when I visit this video, when I have my share link in here, and again, you can also embed this on your website and multiple things. When you do that, you see here, hang in there, this video live stream will start in, and you can select this. And also when you share this to private link, you will get rid of these videos. You can configure that in here. So when I'm going to edit this video, I can say, I want to schedule this video to go live on a specific date, so that people will watch this video. Well, it's not live, but they think it's live on a specific date. And again, when you click here on visibility here, when you create people with a private link, let me quickly show you that. So when I paste this link in my browser, you can see it's an empty page here with only this video on top of it. The next thing here, so that's the stream part, where you can stream these videos. It's not really streaming, but it's stream alike. The next thing that you can do is go live and record. Now, what this will do is it will record your video or your audio. You can choose here. You have three options. You can record video with audio, you can record video only, or you can create audio only. Now, in this case, I'm going to do video with audio, which means that you're going to see me right now. So I'm going to do a small test recording so that you can see how this works. So I'm going to choose for landscape, not portrait, landscape. And now you will see that the video here, when I click on start recording, you will notice that you see my video. And boom, there it is. That's me, 2x Tim here. But I'm recording right now. It's recording already at this point. So when I want to stop my recording, I click on stop recording, and boom, there it is. That's me, 2x Tim here. But I'm recording right now. It's recording already. So you can see that is the replay of what we just recorded. You see how quickly that works, how quickly you can record yourself. And then once you're ready here, and I see that I'm missing a part of the screen, so let me move this to the left in here, and let me go to the continue and next. So I hope that you can see everything on my screen that I shared before. So now when you go to the next screen in here, you see that you have all the options in here again. So here you can change everything. Let me close my Skype because it's an annoying sound. Here you have the option to change your video. You can change the title in here. So this is my demo recording, as you can see. And here we can do the same thing again, the appearance of the play button, etc. We know about this, right? So now my video is stored in my videos in here. You will see that it has been added here at the left side. This was my recording that we just recorded with Vidmingo. Then the next thing that you can do is you can also record your screen. So I'm recording my screen right now and I am using a special software, but you can do the same with Vidmingo. Here you have two options again. You can record your screen or you can record your screen and your camera. In this case, I'm going to record my screen. I'm going to click record and click on start recording. And now I need to give permission to share my screen. So when I do that, it's now recording my screen. So when I go to my website, it's now recording my website. It's recording everything that I'm doing right now. And when I go back here and I stop sharing my screen, it stops the recording. Do that. It's now recording my screen. So when I go to my website, it's now do you see that? So now I have recorded my screen. So I can quickly record my screen and I can share this with my clients or with other people. Simply click on continue and next. Now it's going to process my video. And once it's ready, I can give this another name and I can start sharing this video with other people. As you can see, this is the video that I just recorded. I click on edit and demo recording 2. Boom, there it is. And now I can share this video. I can go to options. I can click on share. I can embed this on my website. I can add this as a pop-up on my website. I can give a share link, really easy, so that people can see my video. And that is the stream part where you can go live record and record your screen and live-like videos. Then the next part is text to speech. So when I click on create voiceover, I can start creating my voiceover. You simply type your text in here. This is a demo, and then you can choose from the voices in here. So there are different voiceovers in here.
Hi, my name is Joey. I will read any text you type here.
So you also got the AI voices here. Those are 4 characters for 1 letter. You can also choose the languages in here. So there are a lot of languages. If you like, you can pause the video if you want to see if your language is included as well. But as you can see, you can choose from a lot of languages in here and then simply choose it. And then you can preview or create your voiceover, and then you can manage the voiceovers in here. So as you can see, I already created 2 voiceovers. I'm going to let them hear to you.
If you're looking for a Vimeo or Wistia alternative, look no further. Vidmingo is your answer.
Second one.
This is a demo voiceover of Vidmingo.
So as you can see, these are the voiceovers created with Vidmingo. Now then, there's one part that I totally forgot to mention, and these are the tools that are included in Vidmingo as well, because you also going to get access to a bunch of stock images, stock videos, and video to give option. So when I click here on stock images, you will have a library full of stock images. Now I expect that these images come from Unsplash or Pixabay or wherever they get them from. But let's say you want to have marketing images, you create a video for marketing and you want to create a thumbnail. You can simply search in here and then you can download these videos and also customize these images. So when I click on customize in here, it's going to load an editor for me where I can create my thumbnails. So here you can do some basic stuff. You can add rectangles, circles, triangles. You can also add some icons in here. Register custom icon. Not sure what that means. Well, honestly, it's a simple editor where you can create some thumbnails for your videos. There's some filters in here, I guess, that you can work with here, brightness, etc., where you can change the image as well. You need to select it probably to change some values. Also, you can crop your image. So if you like to crop it more, you can do that as well. And then say apply, and then your image is cropped to this specific size. Some basic editing stuff that you can do with the image editor. But of course, you can also decide to go to the stock images, download to your computer and edit this with your favorite image editor. But it's a nice extra add-on of Vidmingo. Then also stock videos, exactly the same. If you like to get some videos for your video editing, you can simply search your videos in here. Then you can download them to your computer. There's a whole library again in here that you can choose from stock videos, download to your computer and edit with your favorite video editor platform. Then the last part is the video to give section, where you can create GIFs. So you can start recording. So let's say you downloaded the video, you can start recording here. You need to specify your screen. So let's say you have a video screen, you can select that, and then you can start sharing this, and then it will create a recording of that part of your screen of your video or your video player. And then you can use that as an animated GIF. It will store that as an animated GIF. You can download that. So let me quickly do that. Not right now, it's recording my mouse. This is not a really good recording, but when I click stop recording here, you can see here now it recorded my screen. This is a GIF that I created, and now I can download this to my computer here. I can say, okay, I want to render this. I could also shorten this GIF. You could see that I could cut the beginning and the end. And once this is rendered here, now it's rendered, I can download this to my computer as a GIF file, or I can edit this again. So if I want to make this shorter, I can do that. That's what I just wanted to show you. And then again, if this is what you want, you can click on render, and now it will render this part of the video. These GIFs will not be stored inside of your Vidmingo account, but you can create them and download them to your computer as an extra option. And then I think that's it, because these are part of the upgrades. When you get an overview in here, this is a part of the upgrade. So this is what you will get. Everything that I just showed you is part of Vidmingo, and you can get this right now. It starts for $47. Everything that you see here on my website is included for $47. Now again, there are some upgrades like the Pro version in here, which is $97 one time, where you get a lot more. You can read everything here on my page, what's included. Also the upgrade 2 here, which is the Vidmingo monetization, where you can run ads and stuff like that on your videos. They're all upgrades. And again, there's also a special bundle deal. If this platform is interesting to you, I recommend you to get the bundle deal, because with the bundle deal, you get every single upgrade for a huge discount. Everything here, when I scroll down, this all is included in the bundle deal link. And when you use this coupon VM bundle here, you're going to get 50% discount. You get the whole funnel for $247. You can get that by clicking this blue button here, or blue link, or this link, or you simply click on the green button, and then you will be offered to go to the sales page or to the special bundle deal page. And that is my Vidmingo review. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. Also, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like to get more of my videos. I do a lot of product reviews, so I recommend you to subscribe if you like to see more of my videos. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next review video. Talk soon. Bye-bye.